Hello, everyone, and thanks for tuning in. If the weather's not cooperating with you in your area and you're doing a lot of PC simulator, whether it's FreeRider or Hot Props or Liftoff, something you might be interested in is this product where if your goggles have the ability to take a PC input, in other words VGA, HDMI, or DVI, you can convert it through a device like this to plug in your goggles. And it's not very expensive. This particular one is a VGA model. On my PC up here, I have 4 monitors, so it's a multi-display output that is all VGA. So I have that older style connection. Um, they might be more expensive when it comes to newer style connections, but I doubt it would be much. This one was $17.99 from uh, Rakuten, RAKUTEN.com. Used to be buy.com, but they were apparently bought. So let's look at what is in the box. You can see that this is obviously manufactured in China. All the marketing features people. So we have a typical user manual. This is the primary device that does all the work. Um, and we've got the ability to adjust the display that we see. We've got our VGA connectors. So you can actually go, let's see, I think they label these. You can actually go, this is VGA out, so and VGA in. So VGA in, we would plug our PC connection in here if we had VGA, and then if we wanted to go VGA out for some reason, I don't know why you do that, but they also have S-Video and video out. In my particular case, because I'm using the Quantum V2 goggles, that display uses RCA connectors, which are these little round ones that are yellow and white and red. So what I did to find this product was just did a Google search for VGA to RCA, and this and a number of others came up. So I went for the one that fit my budget, which was this one, and hoped that it would work. I'm not sure what these switches do on the side. I haven't messed with those, and there's nothing in the manual about it. But something to note on these products, the ones that tend to take power, whether it's USB power or plug-in power, tend to work better. If you use ones that are just a cable, they rarely work, and they just don't have the ability to convert the signal to where it'll work. So it needs some sort of power. You can see that it's got holes in the front for heat dissipation. Also in the box came a male VGA end. We've got some cables here. We've got RCA male ends here, and we've got a 9mm DBI there. We've also got our power cable, which this one takes power over USB. So this one goes in our little power connector there, and then we can plug this into our computer. I use a USB hub on mine, so I can plug more stuff in. This is your S-Video male, so if you wanted to go to an item that had S-Video out, this looks very similar to what you see on the back of your controllers, but that's not what this one's for. It might work for it, but it's not what this one's for. This is the cable I use, just because I'm not interested in doing sound through my goggles. My goggles don't have sound anyway, so you know, the Quantum V2s. So how I hook mine up is I have my RCA connector in here, and then I'll plug my VGA from my primary monitor in here, and then I'll run, in my case, FreeRider. If you're looking for something that's not VGA, all you have to do is do a search and put like HDMI to RCA, if that's what you're looking for. Or if you have a machine with HDMI out, you can do HDMI to HDMI, HDMI to RCA, HDMI to whatever your goggles take, if your goggles accept an input. You might also be able to connect these two to your video receiver to see if it will output through, but that's not something I've tried in my particular case. So let's get this connected up so I can show it to you. Okay, so I have everything connected up. You can see the connection box here. We've got USB, I've got to my RCA. If I can get this in the camera, you'll see that this goes directly into the TV panel on the back of the Quantum V2s. And then in here, we actually have FreeRider, and it's loaded up, and we can select something. I know that picture is not great. Let me see if I can get the camera to zoom in there. So we've got FreeRider. Now we can actually not only simulate flying quads in various modes, we can also simulate wearing our goggles at the same time to give us a closer to real feel. And then we're going to sit this down. If you don't have VGA, what you need to look for, hopefully you can see this clearly in the picture. This is VGA, this is S-Video, this is DVI. These are the three primary connectors you're going to find on PCs. You're also going to find HDMI, which looks like this. You will find these on laptops, and you will find these on TVs. There could be video cards that are out that might also feature these, but I don't have one to show. So those are the three kind of connectors you'll need to look for. And when you're doing your search, just type, if you have HDMI, HDMI 2, and then your goggles. If you have the Quantum V2s, you want RCA. I believe the Fat Sharks takes HDMI. So in my case, if I had Fat Shark goggles, I would be searching for a VGA to HDMI. So you can find these products. If you find one just like this, if you need RCA, I'll link that down in the description, and you can buy this particular product. But if you don't have the Quantum V2 goggles, or you have a different sort of PC connection, you'll need to find a different product, possibly made by the same company that mine is, but just slightly different in order to accompany your products. Okay, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos. I'm going to go outside and fly because it's nice today.